How to view TikTok profile without them knowing. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy. Just go ahead and open up TikTok. And once you do that, you need to navigate to your profile page by clicking on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. So go ahead and do that. And here at the top right corner of your screen, you will see a 2 feet icon or a trail icon. So click on it. And once you do that, you will get to the profile views feature section on TikTok. Now, this profile views feature or option is what people usually use to view who have visited their profile. Now, as you can see at TikTok, as TikTok tells you right here, if you got this feature turned on, then whenever you visit another profiles which also have this feature on, then you will show up that you have visited and viewed their profile. However, the opposite also works. If you turned off this feature or the other profile also turned off this feature, then they will not be able to see that you have visited their profile. So essentially and basically what you need to do is, if you have this feature turned on like this, then what you need to do is simply turn it off. Because if you have it on, then whenever you visit another person's profile which also have this feature on, then you will show up as a profile visitor or viewer, and they would know that you have visited their profile. So the only way to visit and view other people's profile without them knowing is to either turn this feature off or the other person turn that feature off. So you can't obviously control the other person and turn off their feature. You can only turn off yours. So just go ahead and do that. And by doing this, you will be able to visit other people's profile, and they will not be able to know that you have viewed their profiles, whether they have this feature on or off. So yeah, it's that easy and simple. Just turn off the profile views feature. So that was it for this video. That's how you can visit other people's profiles on TikTok without them knowing. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.